What's up guys? Today's video is on the Xiaomi's best phones of 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and now let's get started. For those looking to stretch their dollars without skipping on quality, Xiaomi's Redmi Note 13 Pro emerged as a standout choice in 2024. Dubbed the most budget-friendly option in the Xiaomi's lineup, this smartphone balances top-notch performance with an appealing price point. It dazzles at the first glance, and its sophisticated design, sharply defined edges, and a premium-looking finish that rivals more expensive counterparts. The device is comfortably sized for daily handling while packing up a punch in terms of features, such as the upper display fingerprint sensor and IP54 water and dust resistant, showcasing its dedication to blending form with particular functionality. The visual experience on the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G is true highlight, boasting a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen that delivers a dazzling 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It promises an engaging viewing experience for all kinds of digital content. Brightness levels peak at 1800 nits, ensuring a clear visibility under any lighting conditions. And the high pixel density sharpens every detail on screen, making it a detail for multimedia enthusiasts. At its core lies the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor, which provides ample power for a wide range of activities, from gaming to photo and video editing, available in configurations up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. It offers seamless multitasking and fluid gameplay. While it might not top the charts in raw power, its efficient and swift response rate position it as a highly capable contender. Battery life is a significant advantage of the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G, featuring a robust 5100 mAh battery supported by the 67-watt fast charging that can reach full capacity in just under 40 minutes. Convenience that comes right out of the box for the list price. We are really impressed.